In this short video, I'll guide you through how to set custom ringtones for different contacts on your iPhone or Android device. Custom ringtones are a great way to recognize who's calling without needing to look at your screen, whether it's your best friend, boss, or family member. Personalized ringtones add a unique touch and keep you informed at a glance. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users personalize their phone settings, including customizing contact ringtones for easy identification. Stay with me until the end to discover how to enable a full-screen photo for incoming calls. Now, let's get started with setting custom tones for text messages. On Android, open the Messaging app and select a message from the contact whose text tone you want to customize. Next, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner and select Details. Tap Notifications, then tap Sound. Under Ringtone or Sound, choose your preferred notification sound from the available options. Once you've chosen the sound, tap Save or press the back arrow to apply your changes, and the customized text tone will be set for that contact. For iPhone contacts, follow the steps above, but select text tone instead of ringtone to customize message sounds. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's proceed with setting custom ringtones for specific contacts. To start, if you're using an Android, open the Contacts app and select the contact you want to modify. Depending on your Android model, you may need to tap Edit and then find Ringtone or Set Ringtone by selecting the 3 dots for options. From there, choose a sound from the available list. Press Save or OK, and go back to save the contact. This unique ringtone will play only for this person's calls, making it easy to recognize them. For iPhone users, open the Contacts app and find the contact you'd like to assign a unique ringtone to. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down to Ringtone and select your preferred sound from the list. You can even purchase more tones by tapping on Tone Store if you want something unique. Once you've chosen, press Done to save the setting. This also works for text notifications, simply select text tone instead. But what if you prefer to see the caller's photo in full screen? No worries. In this linked video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set a full-screen caller photo for incoming calls. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.